Hello, everyone. My name is Paula Mota. I'm going to talk about BIM Maturity Assessment, and I'm going to show you a roadmap that I developed to achieve the stage 2 of maturity from a project that I work here in UK. So a little bit about me. I'm a civil engineer and architect. I have a master's degree in architecture, focused on BIM. I'm a managing consultant at ASSYSTEM, which is a nuclear company, a project nuclear company. I'm a professor and lecturer on the Ziggurat Institute of Technology. I'm a mentor in Normani BIM. I'm a BIM director in Cypro, which is a company that is a consultancy company regarding BIM and lean construction. And I'm also a volunteer on the BIM Excellence Initiative. So what I'm going to talk to you about is I'm going to show the path that we create from the information management to the maturity assessment. I'm going to talk about information management, BIM maturity assessment tools that we create and we use. And about the case study, I'm going to present the case study for you guys, show some results, roadmaps, the report, and some benefits we achieve. So about information management to maturity assessment, we all know that the ISO 19650, we have a sequence of maturity stages regarding BIM, stage 1, 2, and 3, in different layers that you can see in this picture. But what I did was I focused on the stage 2 of maturity. So I wanted that the project that I was working achieve at least the stage 2 of maturity. And this is what this means, that we have federated models, structured data, unstructured data, ACDE working. So we have a lot of components that make the BIM in a stage 2 of maturity. My main reference was the BIM maturity matrix, the 301N, which is from the BIM Excellence Initiative, which I am a volunteer. So they say that BIM maturity is a gradual and continuous improvement in the quality of the process BIM. So we can always understand where we are, which stage we are currently, and what we need to achieve a better stage, a better maturity. So this was my main reference. And with that, I create a tool. Okay, so it's a very specific tool that my company and I here create together, my team here. And we can identify the current stage of BIM maturity. And we have two tools regarding company, the organization, and regarding the project that I apply here on the case study that I'm going to show you. So in this tool, we have on the left side the areas, which is people, policies, process, data, and system. We have the topics. For each area, we have some topics. For example, people, we have capacity, we have trainings, we have some topics that involve people, and for the other areas as well. We have stage, so what means to be on the stage 0, what means to be on the stage 1, 2, 3. And on this matrix, we can discuss with the team if the project or the company, if they are, which stage they are currently, and the target they want to achieve. So regarding the case study, It was our client was Network Rail. This study was applying in 2019. Our scope basically was to discover the maturity for the project that we worked there at the time, the BIM maturity, and what more we could do there that could help them to achieve better stages. And furthermore, we did some analysis, document analysis. We create some requirements. So it was almost 3 months working on this project to make sure that they have a great maturity and a great path to look for. Our approach, as I said, is the same areas as the BIM maturity, so people, policy, process, system, and data. And we did to show the results for the client, we did some dashboards. So this one, for example, this graphic here shows every topic. Let me show you here with my mouse. So every topic here, regardless the area, so every topic here that we analyze, this is the stage 0, stage 1, stage 2, and 3. The stage 2 here is in orange because was our target. So for each meeting we have, talk, we have discussion, we have with them, with the team, we analyze and show here the stage they are currently. So with this graphic, we can understand and see easily where they need to increase their knowledge. So this one is the complete one. We did as well for each area. So data, process, people, policies, and system. And then we create a roadmap. So regarding this roadmap, on the left side, we have the areas and the topics. We have on the top level there, we have the time. For this situation, we use 3 months as the average of time that we decide for each requirement that we want them to involve. They have 3 months to do it, at least. So those arrows are the requirements. I'm gonna zoom in so you can understand a little bit, no worries. So just so you understand, when I create this roadmap, I start with the areas and the topics, and then I came with the time, and then start to create the line for each topic, the line of requirements that we need. The color means something as well. So if it's gray, is from stage 0 to 1. If it's light blue, is going to the stage 1 to stage 2. If it's a dark blue, it's going to stage 2 to stage 3. And the white one here, as you can see, they already are in stage 3. So I put in white. So this way, they know what they need to do to get on stage 2 at least. So we create as well a report to compile everything that we develop on those 3 months there. The report, or we did analysis per area. So for example, this area here is people. We have the topic management, preparatory, BIM leadership, project teams, BIM components. And for each topic, we decide, when I say we, it was me and the team, the client team. So it was really engaging for them. So we decide what the steps for them to achieve level 2 and then level 3. So if I zoom in a little bit, for example, the BIM leadership, We have BIM champion mandates, BIM champion reports, for example, and for each requirement, we have a little description, like to understand what we want them to do. So regarding the benefits, as I said, it had a great team involvement. So I think the main benefits we had here and why the result was so good is because the client get really involved with us and discuss and had a lot of meetings and wanted to understand the process, which is really good for them and for us as well. So we could deliver a great report and results for them. So we had a great team involvement, better requirements identification. So we understand the requirements, we analyze the documents, we saw that what they have sometimes doesn't fit the necessity, so they need more or they need less sometimes. So it was a very good to analyze the documents and the digital transformation roadmap. So until this day, they still use the roadmap and the path to get to the at least stage 2. It was internally, it was a great digital transformation at the beginning of the digital transformation they needed. This QR code is so you can access the tool that we create, so you can scan. It goes directly to the forms. I don't think it's Google Forms, I guess, Microsoft Forms, a tool called Forms that you can reply the forms, the maturity assessment form, and then we can share with you the results to see which level of maturity, which stage of maturity you are. If you have any questions, please contact me. And I think that's it. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you, BIM Coordinators Summit and Be Hero for this opportunity to talk here in this space. Great to present this to you all. Please contact me if you have any questions, and I look forward to hear from you. Thank you so much. Bye.